Today we're going to learn one interesting song. First line we will take, then you can repeat. Are you ready? Ready. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Now it is your turn, guys. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Now next line. 3, 4, shut the door. It is your turn again. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. Now let's move on to the next one. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. Let's move on to the next line. 7, 8, lay them straight. It is your turn, guys. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. Now let's move on to the next line. 9 and 10, up like a clap, clap, clap. It is your turn, guys. 9 and 10, up like a clap, clap, clap. It is your turn, guys. 9, 10, up like a clap, clap, clap. Now are you ready to think with us? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the seat. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, all the way. Clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the seat. 5, 6, pick up the seat. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, all the way. 9, 10, all the way. Thank you guys for watching Krishan and Didi show. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.